Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 12th of May, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.61%. This equates to an average return of 1.31% each day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock has broken a very wide and horizontal trend upwards. Breaks like this are often followed by swift and strong movements. Any correction down to the break line at approximately $26.28 is considered to be a second chance to engage with a potential runner. However, it is crucial that the volume follows the price, as false breaks may occur, potentially returning the stock into the horizontal trend. Based on the rectangle formation theory, the stock is predicted to reach $36.07 sometime during the next 3 months. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 1.67% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 38.43% to negative 1.84%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 21.77%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 87.57% to 33.29% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.27 and $35.08. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price up 2.61% on Tuesday. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price gained 2.61% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025. The price rose from $25.65 to $26.32. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.08%, reaching a low of $25.67 and a high of $26.46. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 5.36% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume has increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 53,000 more shares were traded than the day before, with approximately 4 million shares bought and sold for around $109.68 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $55.20, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price is 52.32%, or $28.88 below the 52-week high, and 66.84%, or $53.06, below the all-time high on March 26, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group, with the ticker symbol DJT, has recently reported a narrower loss and a notable increase in sales for the first quarter of the year, 2025. This marks a significant improvement as the company enters its Trump 2.0 phase. With $759 million in cash reserves, the firm is well positioned to pursue aggressive expansion plans, including diversifying into financial services with the launch of Truth.fi. This diversification strategy includes an upcoming subscription service, Truth Plus, as well as plans for mergers and acquisitions, which could enhance revenue streams and scalability. The company has generated substantial positive sentiment among investors, as evidenced by recent surges in stock price. An increase of over 25% in just 5 days previously. This momentum suggests bullish market sentiment, likely driven by Trump's continued influence and the company's strategic positioning in the growing financial technology sector. In the short term, these developments may lead to increased stock valuations as investors become more optimistic about growth prospects. However, the long-term impact will depend on the successful execution of expansion strategies and the overall market reception to these initiatives. Factors such as regulatory scrutiny, especially concerning new investment products, will also play a crucial role in shaping future stock performance. Overall, DJT's proactive steps toward diversification and expansion could have significant implications for its stock performance in both the short and long run. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group's stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also indicate a strong sell rating for this stock. The following signals had been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at $24.89 and $22.15. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indication. However, some negative signals have also emerged and may affect near-term developments. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 0.227%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 56 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 21 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 65 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 60 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.87 and $22.04. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock could decline to the next support level. In this case, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just below today's level at $22.87. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $22.04 and $20.27. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.79 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.08%. For the past week, the stock has seen an average daily volatility of 4.11%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies may go through challenging periods, often due to factors that are out of their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $26.38. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $22.87. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted another insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan also conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 20.290. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $25.26, representing a decline of 4.03%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal arising from a pivot top identified 14 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good investment? Several short-term indicators suggest a positive trend, and the stock has surpassed its previous horizontal resistance, indicating a stronger upward momentum. We believe that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable expectation for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation's stock to perform favorably in the near term. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of May, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by 17 cents and begin trading at $26.15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.